Hey guys, Gina back with another collection video. I am going to do a series of unboxing vintage Christmas items that I've gotten throughout this past year and unbox them. It's kind of a surprise for me because I went to the thrift store or garage sale and I bought the item and then I threw them in these boxes. They've been in the garage and then I pack up the box until it's full and then I get another box and then pack that up until it's full, and I think I have about 7 boxes to go through. So we already did one and now we're moving on to box number 2. So if you guys are excited, let's dig in. There's a box right here. Ooh, it sounds like paper items. Okay, it's a bunch of vintage Christmas tags and looks like some seals and stickers. So let's look and see some of these. I love the vintage seals and stickers. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And there's quite a bit of them right here unused. There's a ton of gift tags. So we just have our basic Merry Christmas, Santa and Rudolph. This is Santa. That's super cute. It's flocked, so it's fuzzy. Here's another flocked one. Another different one. Reindeer. Oh my goodness. Look at how sweet this one is. Little angel. This looks like 60s or 70s, doesn't it? I got 2 of those ones. Merry Christmas. And these are all unused. Happy holidays. These are neat. Do you guys ever remember any of these? Aw, don't open till Christmas. How sweet. Aw, there's more angels. Little girl. And that one's flocked. I just love that so much. Looks like I've got some coasters. There's a big stack of those. And a teeny tiny Christmas Carol book by Charles Dickens. Stickers, don't open. We still have enough in the box. And it looks like she kind of made her own little package right there. But you know what? I think we're gonna open them anyway. I'm not 100% sure. Let's see what's in here. The old Santa. It looks like these ones were written on. Peace and Noel. Mama and Papa. Oh, little mouse. Rocking horse. Such fantastic graphics, don't you guys think? I have to collage them or put them together in a frame. Shadow box or something. We have a whole bunch of tags in here. I don't know if you guys want to go through each one of these. Maybe I'll just pick out a couple. This is a really sweet cat. For those of you who are into the green and pink, this would look really good. This is really cute too with the blue and the pink snowman. There's a whole bunch of seals in here. Some of them are loose. Some of them are still attached to their little booklet, like this guy. Book right here. Here's a little caroler. These are really cute seals too. Oh, there's a piano, snowman, flowers, sleigh. Tons and tons of more seals and labels and tags. We could be here all day going through all those tags. There's just so many of them, and I'm sure there's more somewhere too. Let's keep moving on. I'm excited to see what else is in the box. Looks like I got some Christmas cards. These are Kohl's, and they are definitely not old. We'll just pass those to the side. Oh my goodness, here's another box of Christmas cards. Let's see, is that what's in here? Oh yes. Tons and tons of Christmas cards, and I should actually probably start sending those out here soon. Anybody want a Christmas card? Let me know. And more Christmas cards. Now we have, looks like a Merry Christmas banner. This is a Christmas card holder, and this one does have a barcode on it, so this one is newer, but I know they make older ones, but it's pretty cool, and I may have to do that this year if I get enough cards. Pull one out and string it along something. That would be pretty neat. 69 cents. Pretty good deal. They definitely look vintage to me. Oh, you guys, I found this plate and I had to have it. I love this Santa so much. And the stars actually are glitter stars. And it needs a little cleaning, but I can't tell. I think it's a really thin metal. but it's just a cookie plate. And I just love it so much. I love Santa's expression and the gold stars. I'm very traditional when it comes to color. I know I've got some blue and some white and stuff on the Christmas tree here, right here, but I just love green and red so much. Just like Halloween, I just love black and orange. I don't mind mixing it up and throwing colors because I do love a lot of color, but I just, that classic Halloween or that classic Christmas, it's just so nostalgic for me. It looks like we've got a bunch of napkins in here. So here's Santa on a reindeer with some jingle bells. This came from Pick and Save for 39 cents. Woo, what a deal. Oh my goodness, check out that snowman couple. How cute. Here's some cute little Santa napkins. 1988. These are some luncheon napkins by Hallmark. Oh, no date on this one, but I just love that traditional Santa in his sleigh, passing out toys. Here's some poinsettias. Those always remind me of my grandma and my mom. We have a big Santa. Oh, these are dinner napkins. No date, but this is by James River Corporation. And looks like there's some plates. So we will be ready to have some cookies and milk. This is Hallmark, no date. And then we've got some plastic plates. Some deeper dish. Oh, these are plastic bowls, they say. But this is by Lawrence Products Company. Then we have a really cute Merry Christmas hand towel. I love this so much. To put that in my kitchen. Some more napkins. That's great. This is Hallmark. It's funny, after a while you can kind of guess who these are by because the illustration at the time, huh? Looks like we have an old Christmas tablecloth. Another Pick and Save item. This one looks to be that vinyl. It's not a paper tablecloth. That's neat. And then I think those napkins went with it, right? Kind of look like it, but I guess not. This is not Hallmark. And another tablecloth. This one has a wreath with some fruit in it. Home Folio, 1995. And we have one more thing in this box. This is kind of cool. Check out these little Santa and Snowman toothpicks or party picks. Let's see, made in Hong Kong. But there's no date, is there? No, made in Hong Kong. But let's take some of these out, check them out. First we'll do the snowman. Then we've got Santa. I've got 3 of those, so if you need any party picks, you know the place to go. Come on over to my house. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in that box. I do have more boxes to unpack and see what I got. I know there's a bunch of vintage Santas. Either they're creepy or cute, you decide, but there's a whole bunch of those coming up here soon. Did I rattle some cobwebs? Did you guys recognize anything that was in any of these boxes so far? Do you have a favorite item that I've picked out? If you guys want to let me know in the comments, I would love to hear what you guys are thinking of these unboxing videos. And if you guys are excited, we're going to open up a couple of more, so look for those in the near future. All right, you guys, we'll talk to you soon.